Hey, what's up, guys? Doing box, I think 5 on the case so far. I've hit decent jerseys. Joe Mauer probably the best jersey. Miguel Cabrera, Josh Hamilton, and John Eli rookie auto. So Eli's not the best auto, but of all the common ones that odds are you're gonna hit, he's the one I'd like to hit. So I was pretty happy with that. Again, I got my stuff from Atlanta Sports Cards. Picked it up from Josh. I want to give you a shout out and a thank you. I'm posting the breaks on both Atlanta and Beckett.com if you're following there. Logan Morrison rookie. Mike Stanton. I'll just stack everything and pull them up here. Mike Stanton rookie. Want to thank everyone who watches the videos. Starlin Castro rookie, not bad. Strasburg insert with Walter Johnson. Excuse me. I'd love to hit a gold or black Strasburg or Hayward for my PC. Strasburg rookie. Oh, we got a silk here. Vincent Padilla, number out of 50. Kind of cool. That's actually the first silk I've personally ever pulled, so not bad. Dominic Brown, gold rookie. So decent box here. I don't know if those silks count as an actual hit or not. Alright. Hayward, peak performance. Jeffrey Marquez, rookie, White Sox guy. Dana Valencia, rookie. Brian Wilson, gold. Andy Oliver, rookie. Scotty Pods, Hayward, Dave Winfield insert. Mike Leake. Albert Pujols, gold, out of 2010. Brennan Bosch, rookie. Jose Tabata, rookie. Carlos Lee, Soriano. Starlin Castro, Ichiro, Swisher, Babe Ruth, a Hayward. Ty Wigington. Jason Hayward. Carlos Santana. Bobby Crosby, gold, million card giveaway. Daniel Hudson, Longoria, Buster Posey. Hoping to get a buck on those or something. Give him 50 cents on them, put them all in a lot for $5. Strasburg, Carlos Santana, Lance Cormier, gold. Ike Davis. Diane Viciedo rookie. Felipe Polino, black, out of 59. 36 of 59. So if I can hit another jersey or auto in this box, I'll be extremely happy. I'm already happy with it as I got a silk and a black border with a decent rookie gold being the Dominic Brown, even though he's out for the first half of the year. Hayward. David Price. Alright, 3 packs left. Hopefully I can hit at least one more card I like. Let's see. Million card giveaway, if they still are worth anything, I'm happy with. Otherwise, it's just worthless. Mike Stan. Okay, I guess. And last pack of this box, guys. Thanks for checking it out. Matt Caps, gold. Alright, I'll be happy with that. Castro. So, I'll probably go with that silk. Thanks for checking it out. Peace.